So we are having a lot of fun trying to take pictures and video of all 7 of our baby hyacinths right now. And I can't believe we've made it this far because we have been trying to chase them. Come on! Oh my gosh, but they are so adorable. Anybody that hasn't come to see them yet, I do encourage you to do so because they are absolutely adorable and we are having so much fun with them. But there they are, all 7 of this year's babies. Oh, where are you going? Come over here. Where are you going, you silly bird? Yeah. Alright, so everybody come by and see them if you haven't had a chance to yet.